Hi and welcome to Wiki Procedure video channel. Kindly subscribe our channel for more informative video. In this video, we are going to see about apply for CessPool cleaning service in Jharkhand. The link I am highlighting right now is provided below the description of the video. Moving on to the procedure, let's see how to apply via online. Please click on this link. It will forward to Jharkhand Municipal portal page. Please click on this icon. You will reach the login page. Enter the login credentials and click on sign in button. Once you have logged in, please choose the appropriate option. Once you have selected the option, an application form will be displayed. Please fill the application form correctly and upload the documents. We have provided the document details in required document section. Kindly check it out. After uploading all the documents, please provide your mobile number and click on Send OTP button. Once you receive the OTP, enter the OTP in the provided space and click on Submit button to complete the process. The application will be processed further. After receiving, the concerned authority will verify the submitted application. On successful verification, the service will be provided by the authority. Also, you can apply through CSC Center. Same process, but you need to visit the CSC Center for the application process. We have provided the link here. Kindly check it out. If you have any queries or need to apply in person, you can check our office location and contact section for the address detail. Also, we have provided more detail related to this procedure in below each section, which is more informative and user friendly. If you have any queries about our video, comment us. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video.